Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to discuss how we trade cryptocurrencies and why we have to trade cryptocurrencies. So, I will be giving you step-by-step instruction with different kind of strategies which are proved and I have been benefited by these strategies. So, first of all, why cryptocurrencies? Why to trade using cryptocurrencies? So, one of the reason is in forex market and in stock market there's not much volatility. There hardly stocks moves 1% or 2% or 3%. Sometimes it moves more than 5% or 7% like that. So but in case of cryptocurrencies there's a lot of movement that's going to happen in any particular crypto market. For example, there are some cryptos which can give you 100% or 200% rise in a single day, where you can double or triple your money. In the same way, minimum there will be a movement of 3%, 4%, 5%, 7% in a crypto market. If you choose one crypto pair along with BTC, that is one reason because I trade crypto, because of its volatility, and there is a lot of money in it and we can make a huge amount of money if we trade properly. The second reason is the crypto market is still in the growing stage. Okay, there is so much of potential in this market. Okay, it is not even touched 1 trillion, it is not even a half a trillion dollar market. Okay, so if you see the future perspective by 2025 or 2030, you might see crypto market coming to at least 1 trillion or a 2 trillion or a 3 trillion. If that happens, you can see the BTC price going skyrocket. So that's the second reason. So uh, in this video I will guide you step by step in a how to trade cryptocurrencies in a safe manner so that you don't lose much, because I already told you there's a lot of volatility here. The more you gain, the how fast you gain, this in the same speed you can lose money also. Okay, so let us, the first step is to create a account in Binance. So how to create account in Binance? Go to the description in this video. Okay, I have put a referral link. You will also get 15% off when you sign up with my referral link. Okay, so go to binance.com and register. So that's the first step. Okay, so now we are in binance.com. So this is one of the best crypto trading website. There are so many others like OKX, Bitstamp, Bitfinex, and Coinbase, but Binance UI wise and ease of use wise, I prefer Binance. It's very smooth and I like the interface, and it's very fast and responsive. So I choose Binance for that. So you can see there are different kinds of market here. In the markets, you can see spot. In the spot market, you can see there are different types of offerings available. Okay, basic, classic, advanced. And in derivatives, futures and leverage tokens are available. I don't prefer you guys to go for these leverage tokens. Okay, once you become pro, once you spend some time, at least 6 months in trading crypto, then only go for this leverage and margin kind of thing, because it's too risky and you have a higher chance that you will empty your account. Futures I don't recommend. For the newcomers, please to stay away from these two. Okay, so what you should do is, first you should purchase BTC using USD or INR or any other currency that in whichever country you are living. Transfer those to the USDT wallet or a BTC wallet. So here you can see there is a wallet section here. Go to spot wallet. Okay, so you can see the balance here. You can see the balance. And okay, if you want to deposit BTC, click on the deposit. If you want to deposit USDT, click on the deposit. Okay, so you should carefully copy this address and go to your different website where you have purchased USDT, and you can transfer USDT here or you can transfer Bitcoin. or BTC here. So one thing you remember, whenever you are transferring, make sure the first four letters and the last four letters, cross check, and also make sure that you are transferring ERC20 USDT. Okay, same way, this is the default cross checking of any BTC addresses. So the first four letters and the last four letters. So whenever you are transferring, check first four letters and last four letters, confirm it two times, three times, then transfer money. So it will take 10 minutes to arrive, so don't panic. Your money will not go anywhere, it will come. Okay, so once you have deposited USDT or BTC, now head on to spot market. Okay, go to, now head on to markets. Okay, so now there are different, cryptocurrencies are available in the crypto market. 90% of the cryptocurrencies that are in the crypto market are, they are shit coins. Okay, they don't do any kind of purpose here. So only 10% are of some kind of a use, and they are having some kind of a vision, and they are going to solve some kind of a real world problem. All others have entered into crypto market when crypto market was booming in 2017. So we will trade those also, because using technical analysis we can trade any shitcoin and make money. Okay, so I will tell you how to trade those coins also. But fundamentally, if you want to trade, these are the coins: Ethereum, Tronex, BNB, ADA, XRP, Zilliqa, and Bitcoin, Litecoin. And there are different good projects that are also available, which I'm going to tell you later. Okay, so these are the basic, uh, about, these are the primary cryptos which you will find in crypto market. Okay, so how to trade crypto? First, if you are having, TradingView account, you can you can refer TradingView account for any kind of a, there are different indicators that are available in TradingView account. Okay, so you can apply those indicators and it will help you to trade. Here in Binance, you will have, TradingView integrated. So if you don't have TradingView account, I have given the link in the description, where you will get $30 if you sign up through my link. Okay, so for example, I open this Ethereum chart. Okay, click on this Ethereum, this link. So there's a lot of questions going on, like which time frame to trade and what is a good time frame to trade. Guys, there's no good time frame to trade. If you are trading for intraday, or if you are trading for interday, so there are different time frames available. So what is the best time frame to trade is, you have to confirm from 30-minute chart and see how's the trend going in 2 hour chart, 4 hour chart, and 1 day chart. Okay, so that's how we should do trend trading. See what's happening in the 30-minute chart, then see what's happening in the 2 hour, 4 hour chart. Sometimes people refer to 1 hour chart. There are people who will trade for 15 minutes chart. Okay, 15 minutes is too early. Okay, that is not the right time frame, because as I told you, crypto market is full of volatility. In 15 minutes the price can go up. The moment the price start going up, you will start, selling. You will start getting excited and you will sell for a small profit. Okay, again, if in that 15-minute window the stock will start, coming down, the moment it is coming down, you will be panic and you will start selling in loss. But in 1 hour, or in a 2 hour, or in a 4 hour chart, that is still in the bullish trend. So here the first and foremost thing that is required for you is patience. Okay, so don't trade for a lesser time frame. I personally trade using 30-minute, 2 hour, and 4 hour time frame, and that is the best time frame that will get correct idea what is happening in the market, where is the trend growing. Okay, so once you come to this interface, you can see limit, market, and stop limit. Okay, so for time being, stay away from margin. the the more you make money, the more the same amount of the money you can lose in next day. Okay, so stay away from this margin and all this fancy stuff if you are a newcomer. Okay, so for example, I have transferred 0.004 BTC into this another demo account. Okay, so what you should do is, there are two types of the buying order can be placed. One is limit buying is when you feel that price will reach this particular uh, level, or suppose if you are trading at 0.0247 and if you feel there is a chance that you can buy at 0.0245, then you can set that 0.0245 and click on 100% or how much percent of the amount, your portfolio amount that you want to invest in, then click on the buy button. Okay, and in case of a market, whatever the market price is going on here, so it will be buying in that price only. So in case of sell order also, you can if suppose if you have bought at 0.0247 and you can keep a sell order at 0.025, like you can keep a specific percent up so that you'll get your target price, so it will help you in setting the target price. So suppose in case the BTC is showing lot of movement and it is going down very fastly, then you can immediately choose market and sell off. So whatever the market price is going, your position will be sold on that price. Okay, so this is how it works. There's one more type of order that's called as OCO order that will be explained later. Okay, so this is the basics of this particular exchange. It is not a rocket science, guys. You can just spend 5 minutes, you'll come to know. So how to trade and what are the different trading strategies, that will be explained in a next video. And thank you, and please subscribe to my channel to know more about different trading strategies and how to be successful in crypto trading and how to make easily 100 to $1,000 per month or per day using crypto. Thank you. See you in the next video.